Welcome back to QuizyQ. Can you guess 100 birds within just 3 seconds? From easy to impossible, let's see how far you can go. Before starting, please subscribe to the QuizyQ channel for more exciting quizzes. Easy level. Let's start simple. Guess this first bird. American robin. Blue jay. Can you guess this bird? Northern cardinal. House sparrow. American crow. Do you know this bird? Pigeon. American goldfinch. Which bird is this? Blackbird. Guess this one. Red-winged. House finch. Black-capped chickadee. Northern mockingbird. Do you know the name of this bird? European starling. Eastern bluebird. Song sparrow. Can you name this bird? Carolina wren. What bird do you think this is? Common grackle. European robin. Have you seen this bird before? Black-billed magpie. Barn swallow. Atlantic canary. Can you identify this bird? Yellow warbler. Dark-eyed junco. Nightingale. Which bird is this? Arctic tern. Medium level. Let's see how sharp your bird knowledge really is. What bird do you think this is? American kestrel. Have you seen this bird before? Red-tailed hawk. Guess the bird by its look. Bald eagle. Golden eagle. Snowy owl. Barn owl. Can you identify this bird? Great horned owl. Peregrine falcon. Common raven. Loggerhead shrike. Only true bird lovers will know this one. Merlin. Turkey vulture. Osprey. Harris's hawk. Black kite. Think you can guess this bird correctly? Crested caracara. This one's tricky. Northern goshawk. Northern Harrier. Andean Condor. Let's see if you recognize this bird. California Condor. Snail Kite. Can you get this one right? African Fish Eagle. Cinereous Vulture. Don't blink. Which bird is this? Secretary Bird. Do you know this bird? Mallard Duck. Hard level. Time to prove you're a true bird expert. Which bird do you think this is? Mute Swan. Guess the bird before time runs out. Canada Goose. Snow Goose. Can you guess this bird? Great Blue Heron. Can you get this one right? Snowy Egret. Brown Pelican. Double-crested cormorant. Greater flamingo. Don't blink. Which bird is this? Scarlet ibis. Do you know this bird? Roseate spoonbill. White stork. Snowy plover. Which bird is this? Marbled godwit. Guess this one. American avocet. Least sandpiper. Common loon. Do you know the name of this bird? Herring gull. Eared grebe. What bird do you think this is? Common Murray. American oystercatcher. Have you seen this bird before? Wandering albatross. Can you identify this bird? African gray parrot. Scarlet macaw. Sulfur-crested cockatoo. This one's tricky. Can you name it? Ruby-throated hummingbird. Impossible level. Only real bird geniuses can get these right. Which bird is this? Indian peacock. Do you know the name of this bird? Toko toucan. Great hornbill. Guess this one. Resplendent quetzal. Wilson's bird of paradise. Key. What bird do you think this is? Satin bowerbird. Can you name this bird? Emu ostrich. Emperor penguin. Have you seen this bird before? Southern cassowary. Which bird is this? Potsyn. Which bird is this? Superb lyrebird. Oil bird. Laughing kookaburra. Let's see if you recognize this bird. Kakapo. Can you name this bird? Spix's macaw. Do you know this bird? Shoebill stork. Bali myna. Which bird do you think this is? Harpy eagle. Ribbon-tailed astrapia. Victoria crown pigeon. Great Argus pheasant. Can you guess this rare bird? Nicobar pigeon. Madagascar pochard. Last one. What bird is this? Black robins. Pick your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.